Hi, it's Barbara again from Floral Design. I'm just going to show you how many times do you see these in people's windows arranged like this, or is this how you arrange your flowers? I'm going to show you how to arrange them in your own vase. So firstly, I'm going to take those out. With your vase, always when the flowers are finished, bleach your vase out, give it really good scrubbing out and bleach it. That'll stop the bacteria building up in your vase, so that's really, really important. Always use the flower food that we provide with it. It tells you what to do with it, with 2 sachets on that. So I've got some nice clean water in there. Just snip the top and just do it in little tepid water so it'll help the flower food to melt. Now what we're going to do with these, we're going to strip the foliage off like that, because we don't want that foliage going under the water, because that creates bacteria. So the stems have got to be really, really clean and no leaves under the water. So firstly, I'm just going to go through all these, just stripping all the foliage that's going to be under the water. And just strip that all off. The roses, and also with the roses, you can see you've got these tatty stem petals around the edge. Those are what they call the guard petals. So what we usually do, we just take those tatty petals off. It won't harm the rose and it makes it nice and clean. You've probably seen us doing that when we're arranging them in the shop. This is Eustoma. Again, I'm taking all the foliage off. Eryngium, a nice thistle, lovely blue thistle. Gypsophilia, it's everybody's favourite. Got some Floral foliage. That's nice and clean anyway, the stems on that. Carnations, again, just taking all those tatty leaves off. And again, taking those guard petals off that are really, really tatty. Not very good throwing, I think, at the shop, throwing all the green on the floor. So I just thought I'd whip this up just before I make Sunday tea. So first I get the green in your hand, a bit like a hand tie that I was showing you the first week. Just kind of arranging it in your hand. So I tend to put like bushy things in first, as you can see, and that gives it like a base where your flowers are going to be threaded through. Then we're just going to take the roses and then distribute the flowers around, you know, the colour. We've got this lovely purple statice. It gives it a really nice look. And some more carnations. And can you see how I'm just spacing the flowers out? So putting the Eustoma at different angles. And the carnations. Just turning it in what you're doing, you're turning it in your hand all the time. Can you see how it's spiralling in my hand? A nice rose. Hope you can see that alright. And then like that. And then some Floral just to go around the edges so that it's like flows over your vase. Now before you cut it, don't cut too much off. Now what we usually say, the vase, if you think of that as being a third and then your flowers 2/3 above it, you don't want your flowers really long, because the water takes longer to get to the top of the head, so you've got to trim them down. So I cut a little bit off first, so I don't cut too much off. Then I measure it against the vase, which is probably about right. Just going to cut a little bit more off. And then just place it, just don't let go of it, make sure it just needs a little bit more off. Just pop it down and then just let it flow out naturally. So I think you can agree that one looks a lot nicely arranged. And then after a few days, hope you can see that alright, it's a bit difficult to tip it with the water in. But there you can see all the flowers, they're not too long, so the water can get to the heads and they'll last a lot longer. After about 3 or 4 days, empty the water out Give your vase a good scrubbing again, and then put the second packet of flower food in the water, and your flowers will last for weeks. We have people who come in and say our flowers last 3-4 weeks, because if you treat them right, they will last that long. So I hope you've enjoyed that, and I hope to see some nice arrangements in your windows. If there's anything else you want me to show you how to arrange flowers, just let me know when you've seen the video. Just send me a little message of what you'd like to see next. Thank you.